Welcome back everyone. So how you can create a guest user, okay? Or we can say how you can enable the guest user, okay? So how we can do that, okay? So first of all, open the search bar here and search computer management, okay? This option. So click on computer management and now you can see here we have some options. You can see the local user and groups option here, okay? Click the local user and groups, you can see the group user folder, okay? So click on groups. uh, Actually you can see the user, okay, user folder. So click on the users. Now you can see the guest user here, okay? So right click on guest user and go to properties, okay? Properties, and you can see here account is disabled, okay? So uncheck this option and apply and okay. And now so we have enabled our guest user, as you can see here, okay? So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.